Araneta Show.
Enough dahil mga kaibigan, sangkatutaks ang kasama ng megastar natin ngayon.
Sigurado ka?
Sigurado ako dyan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta with The Talks.
Since I met you, I began to feel so strange. Every time I speak your name, baby, you say that we are so helpless too, that we don't know what to do. Ooh.
Each night I pray there will never come a day when you walk and take your love away. Say when you feel the same way too, and I wonder what it is I feel for you. Could it be I'm falling in love with you, baby? Could it be I'm falling in love? Could it be I'm falling in love with you, with you, with you? I don't need all those things that used to bring me joy. You made me such a happy boy. And honey, you've always been the one for me. Baby, you're my destiny.
You can be sure I will never let you down. When you need me, I'll be around. And darling, you'll always be the only one for me. Ever made you specially.
Could it be I'm falling in love with you, baby? Could it be I'm falling in love? Could it be I'm falling in love with you, with you, with you?
Darling, you'll always be the only one for me.
Ever made you specially? Could it be I'm falling in love?
Baby,
Could it be I'm falling in love?
oh no, now, baby.
Could it be I'm falling in love with you, with you, with you? Could it be I'm falling in love?
No, now, baby.
Could it be I'm falling in love? Could it be I'm falling in love with you, with you, with you? Could it be I'm falling in love? Could it be I'm falling in love? Could it be I'm falling in love with you, with you, with you?
Comes.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Sunday evening live here on TSCS. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. May boses pa po ako. Magandang gabi po mga kaibigan. And of course, because it's Sunday evening, hindi ho pwedeng wala sa aking tabi ang dalawang pinaka-importanting mga lalaki sa buhay ko pag linggo ng gabi.
Yo.
Sina Herbert Bautista at Jimmy Santos.
Okay, anyway, miski pang linggo lang ng gabi, kami naman sa piling ni Tita Shawi araw-araw.
Iyo.
Ilang linggo.
Iyo.
Anyway, sa inyo lahat, good evening po sa bisita natin dito sa studio at syempre sa kanilang mga residential certificate.
Si Shawi from the staff of the Sharon Cuneta Show for a very mega successful mega concert.
Thank you, Herbert. Mga
Yes.
kaibigan, thank you to my beloved staff here on TSCS. I would like to thank everybody who went to watch last Friday and last night at the Cuneta Astrodome. Thank you very much for making the mega concerts such memorable experiences for me. Thank you very much for being there on those special evenings.
Yun.
At ito-televise po yan dun po sa mga
Ate
hindi
Shawi,
nakanood.
nakita mo ba yung nakasulat doon sa gitna?
Oh,
Ayan
alam
eh.
mo, I was
Ayan.
just going to mention kasi ginawa yan ni Almers at galing yan sa lahat ng aking mga pinakamamahal na Sharonians. Nakalagay, congratulations on your mega successful, mega hit concerts. We're mega proud of you. I love you two very, very much. Thank you. And I would like to welcome, of course, the National, the Solid, the Darlings, the Megastar, the Electro, the Unbeatable, Megastar, Forever Friends, Dynamic na sabi ko,
Dynamic.
the Loyal, and lahat po kayong nandyan. And of course, Electro, Bistec International, nandito rin po ang original buddies of Gio Alvarez and the Energetic Motion.
Yo!
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for being here this evening.
At saka siyempre yung aking hindi kumukunat na si Charon, hindi makakalimutan niya, miski hindi na itinataas yan. Thank you pa rin kay Mr. Pop and Claire Buencamino. Salamat po.
Ate Shawi,
Yes.
Oh.
nanonood ako gabi.
Oo nga eh.
Okay, nanonood ako gabi. Sabi mo, kala nyo walang nanliligaw sa akin?
Oo.
Eto, makikita nyo na kung sino yung mga nanliligaw sa akin. Nakita ko sila Tom Cruise,
Oo.
sila Mel Gibson. Sino? Tinanong ka ni Mel Gibson, will you marry me? Anong sagot?
Oo, syempre, yes. The man I love.
Walang kagatul-gatol na yes.
Well, alam
ang
nyo,
sinagot.
alam nyo po mga kaibigan, natulog po ako kanina alas 8 ng umaga dahil po talagang sobrang-sobra po ang excitement ko kagabi kahit natapos na at lahat. Hindi po ako makapaniwala dun sa naramdaman kong it was a heavenly feeling. And before anything else and before anyone else, I'd like to thank the Lord up above who always watches over me and who blesses me with so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Ang bait-bait niyo po talaga. At lahat po ng nanood, once again, salamat po sa inyo ng maraming-marami. And also to my director, Roel Santiago.
Congratulations.
Roel, thank you very much. Congratulations. I love you. You're so good. And of course, Louie Ocampo. Louie, I love you. Congratulations. It was an honor to be able to work with you. Everybody on the staff, Sandra Chavez, everybody na thank ko na sila lahat kagabi. And thank ko rin kagabi ang mga hindi ko na thank na mga kaibigan ko from showbiz nung Biyernes. Like sina Lorna T,
Yo.
si Rudy Fernandez, sina Telly, thank you, si Michael De Mesa, si Gina Alahar. At naku, ang dami-dami pa po, baka hindi ko na mapasalamatan. Lahat sila Benji Paras, hindi ko
Benji,
napasalamatan
nandun. Si
kagabi.
Benji.
Tonita Rose.
Mikey.
Richard was there last
Richard
Friday.
Gomez, yes.
Ay, hindi po kami nagbalikan. Hindi ho
Kaya?
totoo yun. At wala ko akong boyfriend. Mahirap na bakit akong maligawan. Hindi, anong tawag dito? At who did I
Hanggang
say?
ngayon,
Sandra
ecstatic
Red.
ka pa, Ate Shawi.
Oo. Si Mayor Manuel Ortega of San Fernando, La
Nandun.
Union, who drove
Sabi
all
ni
the
Joy.
way from La Union just to watch last night. Maraming salamat po. To Joy Ortega, thank you. Sa inyo pong lahat, mga kaibigan. To my best friend, Ana, thank you very much for all the support and all the help and all the prayers. And to my brother, Chet, and my sister-in-law, Connie, who wrote me such wonderful, inspiring letters before the concerts. I love you so much. To my dad and mom, and Casey, I love you.
Kuya Chet,
Oh.
sumulat.
Of course.
Chet, I miss you na.
Miss ko
Ano
na.
ba naman Kuya Chet naman eh.
Dapat sumulat sa'yo.
Oo nga eh.
Sulat.
Hindi ko lang napansin ko lang talaga. Dapat wala ng boses si Tita Shawi. Ba, isipin mo hanggang ngayon, buhay na buhay yung boses.
Ay, talagang
Diba?
kahit mag-concert pa ako ulit ngayong gabi.
Oo.
Okay na okay ako. Nax! Re-repeat ba tayo? Teka, papahinga muna ako. Natensyon ako. Hi also to Paul and Chuck. I miss you. I love you so much, guys. Hindi, itong show na to ay dedicated to my inaanak, Leandro Isorena. Happy birthday, Andro!
Happy birthday.
And of course, to Jake De Leon. Happy birthday, Jake. I
Yo.
love you very much.
Oh.
Okay, so umpisahan na natin.
Game.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Mr. DJ, can I
Music was her art.
DJ
He was a maestro, and music was his passion. They first crossed paths with Langis at Tubig 12 years ago.
Di mapagsama ng tunay mang pag-ibig.
Now, she is the megastar, Sharon. Today, he still is the maestro, Canseco.
Kailan ba at kailan dapat sabihin mahal kita.
She is today's toast of television, the undisputed queen of pop recording, local filmdom's only megastar.
Yes, mahal na mahal kita.
The voice and the star of countless Canseco classics in the movies.
Kahapon lamang
Each time, her voice remarkably touches the heart. Each time, her echo unbelievably pinching the souls. Each time, the voice makes her mark.
And the best performance by a female recording artist goes to Miss Sharon Cuneta, ngayon at kailanman.
Ngayon at kailanman.
And now, the megastar breathes new life to 10 choice, unforgettable masterpieces of the maestro. From the ageless classic Kapantay Ay Langit to the most contemporary Ikaw. The maestro and the megastar, together in the year's most awaited collaboration, Sharon at si Canseco.
She's fantastic. Sharon is one of the few singers na napakagaling gumasok ng melody. At saka makamemorize ng song. Na atinado pa ang boses. Despite the mega star that she is now, so I feel that when we talk about music, she still has very high regard for my... Otherwise, hindi ko makakanta ko kung hindi nagbibigay ng right interpretation sa akin ng singer.
Si Sharon at si Canseco. One in vision, one in passion, one in music.
Kung ako'y iiwan mo, kung ako'y iiwan mo, sana'y dalhin mo rin ang puso ko na di rin titibok, kundi sa'yo ang kagandahan ng ating mundo. Dalhin mo rin paglisan mo, landas ng pag-iisa, tatahakin ko sinta upang di mamasdan ang bagay na magpapasakit sa alaala. Ngunit saan ako tutungo pa na di kita
gentlemen, naputol po kami kanina. Pero I just wanted to announce that the Sharon at Canseco album is now out. It's been out since Wednesday, and I'd like to thank everybody who already got their own copy. Thank you very much. At nakalabas na po ang LP yan, so sana po tangkilikin ninyo. Thank you very much. And thank you to Viva Records. Yes,
Yung kantang yon,
is a part, is a cut from that album.
Ito naman para kay Tita Shawi, para sa kanyang new album, si Sharon at si Canseco.
I just love
Yan,
flowers.
Viva Records.
Thank you to my Viva family. I've been getting so many flowers since the concert. I'd like to thank everybody who remembered and all those wonderful cards and letters and good wishes and prayers. Thank you very much. At ngayon po mga kaibigan, I have two very special guests beside me. Equally beautiful, equally talented. Would you please welcome on the show once again, Miss Snooki Sena and Miss Janice de Belen. Hello, Janice. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. It's nice to be on your show.
Thank you for coming over again tonight. And of course, Snooki.
Good evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
parehong child actress siya.
Oo nga na parehong gumaling ng gumaling palalo. Anyway, Cookie, would you like to tell us about your movie?
Well, it's showing soon. Kami po ni Philip Salvador is starring in a movie entitled Mangkaw. It's a true-to-life story of si Colonel Mangkaw.
Ito yung noon na sinasabi mo nung nag-guest ka dito the last
malapit nang
time.
ipalabas finally,
Ayun.
Sharon. I hope tulungan niyo po kami. Please support the movie because it's a beautiful film.
Oh, and with Philip Salvador, of course,
yes.
how can you go wrong?
That's true.
Congratulations in advance to you, Kuya Ipe, and to
And
you,
congratulations to you. Thank you,
Cookie. Thank you
Sharon.
very much, Cookie.
You deserve all the successes you have.
Well, so you deserve to be happy.
Yes, and
You're
she's
so
looking
happy.
beautiful, no?
Thank you
Really.
very much. Thank you. And
Sexy.
Snooki, of course, Janice de Belen is with us also, like I mentioned earlier. And Janice also has a new movie. Janice,
Marie Chris Shawson story with
this
Rufa
is-
Gutierrez.
This is the story of that, yung...
Si Marie Chris Shawson
Umuwi
went
namatay.
to Japan, and then
Oo.
when she came here, she was already,
That
unfortunately,
unfortunate,
she was already in a box.
Oo.
So we're telling
This is
the
a
people
statement.
her story.
Her story, and
Yes.
portraying the role of Marie Chris is Rufa.
Rufa.
Ikaw, Janice, anong role mo dito?
Ako yung gumawa ng gulo as usual.
Okay.
Nung dumating dito, I was the one na pinalaki ko yung issue na hindi siya namatay ng hepatitis B. So, kumbaga I wanted to convince people and to convince the government to do something about it.
Did this really happen? You're portraying the role of someone who actually did
I
something
think
like that?
because there were many feminist groups like Batis
Oo.
and marami silang ano.
Ate Shawi,
So,
in relation to your question, no? Kung binigyan ka ng pagkakataon, gagawin mo rin yung ginawa ng mga social workers na yun.
oo, because
In
I
real
think
life.
it's so unfair because nobody seems to care about the violence that is being committed
Yeah.
against
That's
women.
true. And you know, if this is a true story, no, yung kay Marie Chris Shawson. And I hope that somebody could really investigate further into this so we'd find out what really happened.
Well, that's why we want everybody to watch the movie para marami tayong, kumbaga sana magkaroon ng investigation uli.
Yun. So Marie Chris Shawson story rather is showing on
September 22.
Yeah.
September 22, and this was directed by...
Joey Romero.
Ayan. Thank you, Janice.
Ate Shawi, magagaling na artista pa. Bata
Pareho,
pa lang ako,
magagaling.
napapanood ko na yung mga yan.
Hoy!
Kasama ka namin nun.
Kasama ka nila.
Pare-pareho tayo. Pare-pareho tayo.
Anyway, Snooki, it's so wonderful to have you back on the show. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you, Snooki, and
All the
thank you,
time for you.
Janice. Thank you. Don't forget.
Okay, back to TSCS. Babati na muna natin. Golden anniversary po ni Mr. and Mrs. Orlando Rosario Lara. Congratulations po. And belated birthday greetings to Jepong Domingo, from your mama and papa, and to Bendel. And likewise, hi to Desiree and Early Bautista. And to kay Atty. Subido, happy birthday. And kay Mr. Ferrer ng Project 4. Ngayon, mga kaibigan from the movie Bad Boys Gang. Dito na ako. Si Mayor. Hindi Mayor. Please welcome from the movie Bad Boys Gang, Janet Arnaiz, Raymond Bagatsing, and Shirley Fuentes. Ano, Raymond?
Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Showing niyo po kami September 23. Bad Boys Gang po. Sana po supportahan niyo po ito dahil magandang pelikula po at pinaghirapan ko po ito. Movie Stars Production, directed by Jerry Terosona.
Shirley.
Yes, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And narito po kami para imbitahan po kayong manood ng Binaventura Daang Bad Boys Gang. September 23 na po. Kasama po namin dito sila Miguel Rodriguez, Al Tantay, Nino Mulak, at maraming pa pong iba.
Yes, hello Kuya Bert, ang pinag-aagawan namin ni Shirley. Don't forget, on September 23, Bad Boys Gang from Movie Star Productions.
Teka, meron ako itatanong sa inyo. Pwede ba magtanong? Pwede ba, no? Very realistic daw yung love scenes nyo rito sa pelikula, kayong dalawa. Pare Raymond, Shirley. At paano yung nakuha yung motivation doon? Hindi, may nagtanong lang dito. Inspired ba kayo sa real love story ninyong dalawa? Or hindi?
Hindi, bali kissing scene po. Hindi po love scene.
Ayun.
Kasi iba yun eh.
Kaya kayong dalawa ni Ninyo.
Kissing scene. Ha?
Hindi, may bakit.
Hindi na kami nakita sa shooting eh.
Ba't pinasok mo yun?
Ninyo, tanong, kayo ni Ninyo, may love scene? Ha? Ganun ang dati.
Kuya Bert, I'll just plug something.
Yeah, go ahead.
On October 17, I'll be in Taytay Rizal with Rani Raimundo, Patrick Guzman, and a whole lot more. So please be there.
Thank you. Shirley, Janet, Raymond, thank you very much and good luck to your
Thank you.
movie.
Thank you, Bad Boys Gang po. 23.
Okay, September 23. Okay, Jimmy.
Okay, kay paring Piping Salonga, belated happy birthday. At now, ikaw kanina ininggit mo ko.
Bakit?
Ininggit mo ko sa mga introduction mo kanina.
Inamin nila, pinag-aagawan nila ako.
Hindi. Ito,
Inamin.
matindi naman to.
Okay.
Ito naman tatlong leading ladies na to. Magsasama-sama to.
Okay.
Ito dito talaga ako mahihirapan dito kung sino ang mapipili kung kalapin
Huwag kang
ko.
magkakamali pumili dahil delikado.
Hindi, iba.
Okay.
Mahihirapan ako talagang pumili rito.
Okay.
Anyway, may the best woman win. No?
Okay ah.
Okay. Hey!
Okay.
Iba ko. Anyway, Snooki Serna, Janice De Belen, at ang ating megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
With the adrenaline.
Baby girl, can love him once but not twice. Who plays games with no rules? Tears and fears, it happens almost every time. Love knocks you on your behind. Love your heart, not your love. Love is gone. Loving and leaving is the rule that must stop. You must be strong. Stand up on your own. Take control of your life. I've seen it time and time again. It's not worth it. No. Don't get down. You'll survive. You and only you can bring yourself around. Give it up, turn and lose. If they don't want you, they don't need you. Girl, yeah, yeah. Give it up, turn and lose. Yeah, now. Facts of life. Love can only hurt you. Leaving scars most of life. Tales of love can come true. Don't play tricks on your mind. You'll be fine. Take this time to find peace of mind. Sooner or later, bad feelings will die. You must be strong. Don't blame it all on love. Time to think will come. I've seen it time and time again. It's not worth it. No, no. Don't get down, you'll survive. You and only you can bring yourself around. Ooh, give it up, turn it loose. They don't want you, they don't need you. Girl, yeah. Give it up, turn it loose. Yeah, now. Give it up, turn it. Give it up, turn it loose. Give it up. Give it up. Give it up, turn it loose. Come on. Give it up.
kaibigan, nandito po sa aking tabi ang pinagkakaguluhan po ng aking mga fans dito sa studio kanina pa. Ang dalawang pagkagwapo-gwapo ko pong guests. Wala pong iba kundi sina Eric Quezon at Tonton Gutierrez. Good evening, Eric. Good evening, Ton. How are you? Anong pinagkakaabalahan mo nung nawawala ka, Ton?
Filming.
Filming. Anong ginagawa mo?
There's one showing on the 23rd. I'm inviting everybody.
What movie is this?
Paniwalaan mo.
Paniwalaan mo.
With Aga Mulak, Don Zulueta, Jamie Rivera.
Do you know yung paniwalaan mo? Yung kaya sana paniwala.
Right.
Ang kumanta ho niyan, yung grupo nung kapatid ko nung araw, yung Azul. Sila yon, kuya ko yun. Proud na proud naman.
Si
Che,
Che?
oo, noon.
Ganun ba?
Ay, ba't ko sinabi magagalit yun? Hindi. Tsaka, Eric, ikaw, what's new with you, my friend?
Wala naman, ganun pa rin.
Nag-model ka ba ngayon?
Hindi naman. Well, yeah, there's I have a fashion show starting tomorrow in Manila.
Manila, off the Manila
Off the
Hotel.
Manila Hotel, yeah. It's
This is luncheon.
a luncheon fashion show for Blue Soda.
For?
Blue Soda, it's this
Blue Soda, it's
yeah,
a line,
company that I'm modeling for.
Okay, a line of men's clothes.
Yep.
Men's clothing.
Tita Shawi.
Yes.
Sorry, excuse me. Meron lang ko itatanong kay Kuya Eric. After, hindi, ma-successful na mag-produce ka ng pelikula. Balak mo raw bang mag-direct ng pelikula? Yan ba yung impluensya ng bakasyon mo sa States o sa Amerika?
Well, yun na nga din. Well, I went to New York para nag-aral ako ng film and production. So, well, actually, gusto kong mag-direct, but
How
not
long were you there?
2 months.
2 months. Where did you go? What school?
New York Film Academy.
How was it? It was fun?
Yes.
Tsaka regular boy ka doon, hindi ka artista.
Oo.
Sarap, no?
Oo, yung buhok ko sabog-sabog, wala kang
Oo,
nakikialam.
talaga. So, are you gonna
Kulot-kulot.
direct? Are you gonna direct na, Eric?
Well, not yet, but eventually I hope I will, yeah.
Naku, Eric, we look forward to that. Your first directorial assignment.
Yeah, I'm
You
looking
will
forward
have
to
our
that also.
support.
Ano
Oo.
na? Yeah, thank you.
I'm so proud of my friend naman.
Wow.
And Anton,
yeah,
aside from from Paniwalaan Mo Ako, your movie, which is incidentally showing again when?
On the 23rd.
The 23rd, September 23. September 23.
September 23rd. Can I greet someone? Can I greet my...
September 23. Parang naalala.
Memorable date?
Nung araw, wedding anniversary ko yun.
Ano ba?
Nung araw. O tapos?
Araw.
Sure.
Well, can I greet someone?
Sure.
Can I greet my sister? Happy birthday, advance. On the
Happy
22nd.
birthday to you! How are
Wednesday.
you? Ayan. Are you filming anything now? You're gonna start something new?
Well, I started the one with Viva.
What's the
Parang
title?
masyado
You know
tayong
that?
formal ata.
Eh, ikaw ang formal kami.
Masyado
Okay
formal
eh.
Hindi, yung sa susunod na
Ayan, okay. So we look forward to that. And of
Yes,
course,
thank you.
Paniwalaan Mo. And Eric, your fashion shows,
Yes.
how long pala? Ilang araw?
1 week.
Starting tomorrow.
Starting tomorrow until Friday, every lunchtime.
You'll be there modeling.
Yep.
Okay, for Blue Soda. Thank you very much, Eric, and thank,
Thank you.
Ton. It's
Thank
so
you very
nice to
much.
see you both again. Thank you. Parang hindi kayo nagpunta ng mega concert.
Kasi walang ticket eh.
Busy ka eh.
Walang
Busy ka
invitation.
eh. Parang hilig ka. Sensitive mo talaga, no?
Medyo.
And
Still your coast-to-coast favorite, TSCS. Now let the king of OPM rap whip it, Francis Magalona, with a spin to get posse.
Pakinggan ninyo ang sinasabi ng labi. Isang Manginong katulad ko ang nagmamayari. Pag-aari isinulat upang kayong lahat ay mamulat, magulat. At siya naman ang dapat na mangyari. At huwag nang magbaka sakali. Kundi ililitsong kang luto sa kawali. Kaliwat kanan ang gusto lumaban ang pustahan. Kaya ay malakasan. Dahan-dahan, hindi mo ko maisahan. Up and down, side to side, oh 101 De La Cruz. Are you amused by the words I use? Teka, Tagalog nga pala, excuse me. Gotta be basolati, I get busy. Kailangan mapawisan na maputi. Sige, maigi sumayaw ka ng todo. Yung ugyog sa tunog, meron akong kwento. Yeah, 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 meron akong kwento, meron akong kwento, meron akong kwento. Meron kasi ano? Kailangan sumayaw at nang wag mabato. Rock-rockan, at saka naming hinaluan. Funk and soul talagang rat-ratan. Ganyan lang kung minsan nahihirapan. Patay kung patay kapag naumpisahan. The groove makes you move, tuluyan ligaya. Cause I'm smooth and we never make gaya. Sinong may sabi, wala si Kimo sabi. Ayo, my man, yeah! Suabe, grabe, at siya na nga pa sinasabi. Laksa mo ba at iyang paso palagi? Sige, maigi sumayaw ka ng todo. Yumugyog sa kundong meron akong kwento. Yeah! 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 Meron akong ano? Meron akong kwento. 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 We have Carlo over here, and we got Nino. Yeah. The posse is live and kicking direct right here in the Sharon Cuneta show. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baseline. Oh. What's that? Pakinggan ninyo ang sinasabi ng labi. Isang ginong katulad ko ang nagmamayari. Pag-aarit yung sinulat upang kayong lahat ay mamulat, magulat. At siya naman ang dapat. Grabe! At siya na nga ba sinasabi? Laksan mo ba at iyang paso palagi? Sige! Maigit sumayaw ka ng todo. Yumugyog sa kuno meron akong kwento. Yeah! Meron akong ano? Meron akong kwento. 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 Booyah!
TSCS Live is back. Simply Red is simply fantastic when Eric Kizan and Tonton Gutierrez join the megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Holding back the years, thinking of the fear I've had so long. When somebody near, listen to the fear that's gone. Wrangled by the wishes I paid for, hoping for the arms I made for. Get to me the sooner or later. I'll keep holding on. I'll keep holding on. You'll
tell you what I'm feeling inside. The only thing I ever wanted was the feeling that you ain't faking. The only one you ever thought about. Wait a minute, can't you see that I wanna fall from the stars straight into your arms, and I feel you. I hope you comprehend that I wanna fall from the stars straight into your arms, and I feel you. I hope you comprehend.
Something got me started. You know that I will love you. Ever since we parted, I truly know that I need you. I give it all up to 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 you. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Give it all up to you. Yes, I will. Give it all up to you.
You got a love so strong.
Thrill me.
You really turn me on.
Thrill me.
Wait till tomorrow night.
Thrill me.
I'm gonna treat you right. Give it all up to you. 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 Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Give it all up to you. Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Give it all up to you. Yes, I would.
Hello, Maita! I love you, Maita. How are you? Anyway, I'd like to thank you once again, everybody who watched the mega concerts last Friday and last night. Thank you so much with all my heart. Thank you to all of you. It was a wonderful, wonderful, the best, the greatest experience of my musical career. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Siyempre, exclusively sa Joel Dilanganan at Tatay Robert at Ted Rixia at sa kanyang mga mahal sa buhay. Tita
Okay.
Shawi, congratulations.
Thank you very much, Tita
Congratulations.
Jim. And thank you to you.
Thank you very
everybody.
much.
We'll see you on Sunday. Si
Thank
Shai
you.
at si Canseco. Don't forget.